주말에 뭐 했어요?
친구하고 저녁을 먹었어요.
오,
하나는요?
저는 피아노를 배웠어요.
피아노 치는 거 어려워요?
어렵지만 재밌어요.
저도 한번 배우고 싶어요.
안녕하세요. We are
한국남매.
Yay, we again. We will talk about today, last week.
Last weekend,
Yeah.
what did you do last weekend?
Right.
Which is often a conversation that people have on Monday.
Right. What did you do last weekend, Steven?
Last weekend, I met my friends and we had like dinner together. Dinner and
like what kind of?
we had samgyeopsal.
Oh my God, Korean BBQ.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah, grilled pork belly, right?
my God.
When you eat samgyeopsal, have you ever eaten like just naengmyeon? If you get it at the beginning, you can have it at the same time.
It's a
good.
paradise.
No, it is. It is. It's
Okay,
really
I'll
good.
try later. I met my friends last weekend.
Okay.
Not a boyfriend. Anyway, I met my friend. I watched the movies.
What movie did you see?
Avengers.
Who's your favorite Avenger?
Iron Man.
Thor.
Iron Man.
Really?
Come on.
He's old now.
Oh my God.
Still super handsome. Love the guy.
I love it. This is how we spend weekend or holiday doing our own favorite activities.
Okay.
We're going to talk about this today. 주말에 뭐 했어요?
친구하고 저녁을 먹었어요. 하나는요?
저는 피아노를 배웠어요.
피아노 치는 법 어려워요?
어렵지만 재밌어요.
저도 한번 배워보고 싶어요.
주말에 뭐 했어요?
친구하고 저녁을 먹었어요. 하나는요?
저는 피아노를 배웠어요.
피아노 치는 법 어려워요?
어렵지만 재밌어요.
저도 한번 배워보고 싶어요.
주말에 뭐 했어요?
주말에 뭐 했어요?
That means what did you do on the weekend? The last weekend, right?
주말
주말,
is weekend.
weekend.
Okay.
What did
뭐?
you do? 뭐?
What?
What?
했어요. Did you do?
Right. What did you do on the day off? 쉬는 날 뭐 했어요?
On your day off.
Day off is 쉬는 날.
그럼 쉬는 날 뭐 했어요?
쉬는 날 뭐 했어요?
What's more common? Do we say 주말? or
주말 is more common.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I had the dinner with my friend. 나는 친구와 저녁을 먹었어요.
저는 친구와 저녁을 먹었어요. 친구 is friend.
Friend.
와
와.
together.
With.
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 Okay, 저녁을. That's the
저녁을.
dinner.
Yeah,
먹었어요. I ate
먹었어요.
it.
Right,
Okay.
right. Okay. I practiced the taekwondo. Means 저는 태권도를 연습했어요.
연습하다. 연습했어요.
연습 means practice.
저는 태권도를
를
연습했다.
right. Can say that. People just learn something when they have day off.
Everybody learns the piano.
Right. In Korea,
Here,
like
yeah. Very common.
definitely everybody learned that. I don't know why.
Do you play the piano?
I played a piano.
Did you?
I almost Mozart. No, I'm
No? Okay.
I'm joking.
Okay. I played the trumpet.
You play the trumpet.
Yeah.
That's really cool. I play the cello, so maybe we can
Do you play the cello?
Yeah.
Cello.
trumpet. 주말에 뭐 했어요?
친구하고 저녁을 먹었어요. 하나는요?
저는 피아노를 배웠어요.
피아노 치는 법 어려워요?
어렵지만 재밌어요.
저도 한번 배워보고 싶어요.
These days, like many people don't use the weekend as a day off. Like they use their day off to learning something.
To do something,
To do
right?
something.
Right. If I could, I'd like to spend more time cycling. Burn some fat.
Learning something is the great because you can develop yourself, right?
Yeah.
And challenge yourself. You guys should also try to learn Korean as a 한국남매.
Oh my God, that's such a good idea.
I
On the weekend, on your day off.
I feel like genius. Have you followed today's expression you learned today? Right?
Totally.
Yeah. So you can often follow and practice this one and will improve them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
For those all who love Korea, 한국남매. See you next time. Bye bye.
Subscribe. Hit the like button.
Yeah, please. I'm back.